Alright, here's a flight of the T-28 from FMS with a 6S pack. It's a 6S 2700 and it's still a little too fat to get in there and have the canopy close good, so I had to put a little piece of Velcro sticky on the back of it to keep the canopy down. I'll have to probably do some carving on the bottom of the canopy in order to get it to stay on good with the 6S. 4S and 5S fit okay on the 2700 size, but this 6S, much like me, is a little overweight.
They're flying drones.
Oh, okay. We will have to modify then.
Yeah, I see. That is such a beautiful airplane.
Yeah, I kind of like it, man. It's it flies pretty well.
Can I ask what that
Hmm?
run? Can I ask how much that?
Well, Horizon Hobby sells it for $319, but they've been out of stock for every bit of 3 months, 4 months. So I found it on the actual FMS website, and it was $299, free shipping also. So not quite as fast. Probably took about 7 days for it to come in, maybe 8, compared to Horizon. Usually you can get it in 3, maybe 4 days. And FMS, my personal experience with them was their customer service is crap. They never sent me a confirmation of the order being placed. Yeah, I emailed them like 5 times. They never did respond. I was just getting ready to contact PayPal and make an inquiry about the transaction, and it arrived at my door. No advance notice on the shipping or anything. So if you can deal with that unknown factor, I got nothing bad to say about them after that. It's still going, man.
I know it. Which one do you have in it now?
This is the 6S. 6. But you know, truth be told, the 5S is plenty fast for me. And I think it has close, this one here looks to be definitely unlimited vertical, which isn't bad because this is not a, what you call a light airplane. But the 5S, I think, could almost compete with it. Let's put it this way, 5S will get you over your 400-foot limit with no problems. So
well, I have plenty of 4S batteries. I don't have any 5s, and I've got very few 6. I've got 2 5000s and a 3300 we just used.
Yeah, 5S's are not popular for some reason. I've only got like 3 batteries that are 5S. I don't know why. Most manufacturers, I guess it's because the 3S are ubiquitous, and then now 4S is getting that way, where pretty much everybody has 4S's.
Ubiquitous. Using big words on it.
Yeah, man, I'm filming, so I gotta make it sound like I know what the hell I'm talking about.
I didn't know you were filming.
A little bit fast. Yeah, normally all my planes that I get are used, and when I do buy a new plane, it's like the $279, $280 price point. I think the most expensive plane I ever bought was probably that C-130. It was like $330, something like that. And it's not because I'm cheap, because, well, clearly I am. But I mean, I don't mind spending the money for something that brings you enjoyment. But I looked at it as, well, I'm learning to fly. I'm probably going to wreck 1 out of every 10 flights. So I can't see putting up a $500,000, $700,000 airplane up there and then walk home with it in a trash bag. So I figure until I learn to fly, I'm just going to cycle through these old used ones and stuff like that. And every once in a while I'll buy a new one if it looks like it'd be fun. And this one, I got to tell you, is for what it includes, it's there. $300 I know it's more than a typical airplane is, but considering you don't got a receiver in it still. But I think just for the fact that you can fly it on 4S, 5S, and 6S batteries without changing props or anything else, to me that makes it a no-brainer.